guys, welcome back to another video. So I technically thought I was doing Vlogmas, but I guess no videos don't count for Vlogmas. But anyways, so this is gonna be technically in my mind Vlogmas day video number 1 for me. But yeah, so all I'm doing is I'm gonna be doing the Femi beauty method, where I'm putting acrylic inside of full cover tips. I'm using the Makartt pump ups. They're about $16.99 on Amazon. And yeah, so that's all I'm going to be doing. It's just a real simple design. You'll see in the end. Unfortunately, I did not film, or I did film it, but I ran out of storage, so I didn't get to finish the video, so that's why it's going to be so short. But don't worry guys, tomorrow I got you. I'm coming with a whole video detailed for you guys. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and make sure if you like the video to like it, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so now that I'm done with my prep, I'm not going to be doing anything special. I'm just taking my 95% ethyl alcohol, and I'm going to make sure that I use that as a dehydrator for my nails, and also to remove any of that dust that may be left on the nails. And then once I'm done with my prep, I'm going to go in with primer. Unfortunately, I don't have that on here, but that's what I do. I go in with some primer. And now you're going to see here, all I'm doing is, if you look at Femi Beauty's channel, or just look up Lazy Girl Method or Femi Beauty Method, she uses it 2 ways, or she does it 2 ways, where one, she applies acrylic inside the tip to put it on. It's basically like a pre-dupe method. 2, she uses polygel to put it on. So that's all I'm doing here. Is I'm also using some of those nail holders. I don't really know what they're called, but I say it's like a nail holder. You know, I'm putting some of that, I'm using that to make sure that I hold the nail down so it doesn't move, so I can move on to the next nail. You know, try to speed things along. Okay, so as here you can see, I'm placing my bead of acrylic into the cuticle area of the tip. and I'm going to just basically leave most of that in the cuticle area, and I'm just going to feather off a light amount toward the edge. I'm doing that to make sure I can give some structure and strength to the nail. Alright guys, so as I stated before, technically this is going to be the end of the video. We're going to flip to the picture of my rhinestone design here, and now you're going to see some of my Snapchat videos that I did. So as you can see on my left hand, I blinged out my ring finger, and on my right hand, I put a little bling on my ring finger as well. So thank you guys again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.